This tutorial shows you how to track and accept donations for school fundraisers. The Pay Donation screen is where fundraisers and donations are managed. Click New Fundraiser to start a new fundraiser. You may have several different fundraisers or a single general fundraiser. Enter the title here in any of these optional fields. If you enter a goal and check Show Thermometer, it will automatically generate a graph for donors to see, which looks like this. If you set suggested donation amounts, donors can still choose to donate custom amounts. Choose one or more schools for the fundraiser. The goal is the total for all schools, but you can view subtotals raised by each school. If you set notifications, Jupyter will send an email for each donation with all the details. The description field is for donors to see a description of the fundraiser and how they can donate. Check Active to make the fundraiser available for donors, and uncheck it when it is over. Click Archive to remove the fundraiser from reports. Click Links to get a link to post your fundraiser on your website, social media, and email. You can have a separate link for each fundraiser, or a single link to choose from all your active fundraisers. Click Open to see what the link option looks like. Check Show Donate tab in the Parent Portal so parents always see a Donate tab when they log in. To record donations, click New Donation. Select the fundraiser and then enter the details. Select the payment type, like check or cash. Jupyter can also process credit cards and ACH payments. To accept these donations in person, use this screen, or donors can pay online using the links we looked at earlier. You can accept payments from parents, alumni, or anyone, and they can be anonymous and write a comment when they donate online. It also asks donors if they would like to add a little extra to cover the transaction fees. Donors can also sign up to make automatic monthly donations. All online donations will be deposited in your bank nightly. See the help guide for more details about online payments. To monitor your fundraisers, use these menus. Select Fundraisers to view details for each fundraiser. Select Donations to list all donations. Click any one to see details, make edits, and even issue refunds if needed. Select Donors to list everyone who donated. Click a donor to see all their donations. Click their email to write them, or click Copy All to copy the whole list of email addresses. Select Compare Schools to see how much each school raised for each fundraiser. Use the rest of these menus to sort and filter the data as you need.